Hi everybody, this is Chantal. Today is a big day for me. We are starting the work, my second floor, I guess, penthouse. Here are the crew. They start working, putting all the posts, moving the bricks up. And of course there is somebody else's house back there, but anyway, this is my penthouse. We're starting to work. It is the first day of my work today. Anyway, I am showing you around the neighborhood. As you can see, there are mix of things. There are some big houses and there are little houses. Anyway, I'm very proud of myself to be able to build this beautiful home that I have, and my grandma's land that was given to my dad, and I'm doing this for my dad anyway, and for myself. And here is a big 5-story home that was built, I guess, in 2003, and during the collapse of the government, the house never been finished ever since. Anyway, they haven't started. I'm sure they will start at some point when the government gets better or whatever the deal is. Anyway, so I am now looking toward the road. So if you see the house back there, that's on the other side of the street, and I'm going down. This is part of the materials that we're supposed to use. So that's the roof of my other little house. So they use it for storage for a while, for the sand, for the bricks. And then if you go around this way, where the clothesliners are, these are my big sister's house, the one who lives in France. But she's not here right now. So here we go. And then these are more of the neighbors again. So I will show you again in a couple of, I guess by tomorrow, when I do another movie. I tape another one. I think there will be some walls already around. So here are the crew doing all kinds of stuff. Very busy. Well, not quite, but that's how the Madagascar work. Sometimes it's just standing around, not really doing much, but anyway, eventually they will get it done. I have faith in them. They are the one who's built this house from the ground. That was in 2005 and 2007. I put the first floor, and then now I'm hoping to finish it up. Well, at least to put the last floor of this project until I move to my pet project, which is supposed to be the big one. Anyway, that's me, Chantal. If you don't know, I love myself. I'm so proud of myself. I've been the one who's been building this, and of course, thank you to Simon. He provide everything, give me all the money to build my house, our house. But anyway, he said it's my house, it's our house. But he's got faith to me, and he lets me do this. This is my little pet project, and I'm very proud of my husband, because he trusts me to do all this. So without Simon, I couldn't have done this. Anyway, so here is, this place is, by the way, this house is in Sambava, and this is Antembi. So here you go. Thanks for watching. This is for today, and I will do more video as I go along.